What's going on, guys? Rob from Clicks Geek, and today's niche video is going to be about roofing, and we're going to go through and look at a roofing contractor who we've just been running for since November 10th. What's today? Today's the 19th. So, short time frame. We're going to show you the results so far. Again, this is a roofing client. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel, guys. We make niche videos and AdWords videos every day, and I'll kind of walk you through how we build them so you get results like you're about to see right now. So for this client's in California, and they have a huge location. So we have a lot of area to work with here. And now a lot of people don't understand when you're running roofing campaigns that if you use phrase match or modified broad match or just broad match, you're going to get a lot of competitor type keywords. Okay, so if our client here, which I can't say their name, but let's just call them XYZ Roofers. So if we're running ads for XYZ Roofers and we're running ad groups for like roofing company, roofing services, roof repair, and we're using phrase match keywords like roof repair, you're going to get, now remember, our client is XYZ, you're going to get search terms and clicks for Harry's Roofing, Bill's Roofing, Roofing Pros, Inc., or whatever. Like there's going to be, you're going to get tons of competitor-driven keywords that people search, and then your ad will show up for because you're a phrase match, and people are going to click them thinking there's somebody else. They're going to call them like, hey, is this Harry's? And you're going to be like, no, this is XYZ, and they're going to hang up. Now, that's just a ton of wasted money that you don't want. So for this guy and most of our roofers moving forward, we're only using exact match keywords. So we root out all of those competitor-type keywords. And also, a note that you should be doing too if you're running a roofing campaign is you should be building a giant master negative list of competitor names when you're building your campaigns initially and adding those as negatives, because you don't want that type of traffic, because it's not good traffic. It's actually crap traffic, and it will just get you calls and waste your money, and it's not stuff we want. So let's go right in here and we'll look at our guy's stuff here. So 250 a day budget, nice and healthy. Like I said, they have a giant location in California. So you can see here, 3,600 impressions, 164 clicks. Again, this is from November 10th to the 19th. So that's 9 days running. 4.45% click-through rate. Average cost per click is about $10. We're using maximize clicks bidding strategy. We're like Google's algorithm do all lifting for us. You can see here 164 clicks, again 8.5, 14 leads so far. Cost per click $10, cost per lead $118.51. Now that may seem high, but this is actually a really good start considering it's California as well, and considering that we haven't really got into the deep optimization tactics yet because we only have 14 conversions, so we don't really have enough to go too crazy with. We obviously have 164 clicks, that's a lot of traffic. So we do have some data we can work with. If we go into the campaign, you can see the type of keywords. You can see here we have our geo ad groups, San Diego. We'll keep going down here. I think we have Los Angeles in here too. These are all the ad groups we're running. So you can see they're not, it's generic roofer stuff. It's metal roofing, residential roof repair service, roof replacement, which is what everyone wants because that's the big money jobs. So if we sort by clicks, we can see where all of our conversions came from. Roofing contractor, metal roof, roof repair contractor, roof repair, Los Angeles roofers, copper roof restoration. So there's a good amount of high quality stuff here. And if you look at the keywords, so if you go into roofing contractor, let me just show you. And you go into the keywords we're going after, you can see here, they're like legit, these are legit keywords. They're not, I don't know why my computer's going so slow. There we go. So roofing contractors, roofers near me, roofing contractors, companies, contractors. It's majority of contractor type keywords. I have mixed in a few other keywords that we're converting from this ad group, so that's why it's not totally all about contractors. But you can see they're all really good keywords. Find roofing contractors, roofing contractor, find local roofing contractors. And we just keep it tightly themed, and that's how we do it. Now, if we go into the devices here, you're going to see if this ever starts moving quicker. Come on. Sorry guys, hang with me for a sec. I don't know why my computer's doing this. The internet's been crap all day. Alright, so we are going after mobile traffic and desktop computer traffic. We've negative 100% out tablet traffic because it does not convert well for us in this instance. So we're just turning it off. 105 clicks for mobile traffic. 9 leads, $114 a lead. And we're doing a negative 5% bid on computers. And that's a 5 conversions for $125 a lead. So you can see here we have a lot of work to do. We gotta start getting these conversion rates up. And the way you're gonna do that is through optimization and post-click optimization, which is landing page changes, which we didn't even get to yet. But you can see here this is a great start. I mean, I'm happy with the first week of doing this pretty much. It's been about a week, 9 days. So 14 leads, $100, $118 a lead. I'm okay with that because I know I can get that down to $50, $60 a lead in the next 30 days. So it's a good start. So if you guys want to see results like this for your roofing company or your client's roofing company, we have this campaign, we have the landing pages, we have everything ready to be cloned and deployed into your location. So just reach out to us below. In the description of this video, we have a ton of free links. We have links to our website, we have links to free courses we offer, we have links to paid courses we offer, so make sure you guys check that out. And again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give me a thumbs up, like this video. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.